In this lesson, we are going to solve this quadratic equation. But before I solve this quadratic equation, pause the video, do it yourself, and at the end compare your answer with my solution. If you use different way, please let me know in the comment. Now go ahead and get started. X squared minus 9x plus 20 equals 0. To solve this quadratic equation, at first we need to consider the leading coefficient. The leading coefficient is 1. Therefore, I can write this quadratic equation as the product of two factors. The first term of these two factors is x. But what is the second term? To find the second term, we need to find two numbers that the product is 20, this constant, and their sum must be -9, the coefficient of the middle term. Two numbers that the product is 20 and their sum is -9. I want to list all pair factors of 20 to find these two numbers. 20. 1 times 20 equals 20. 2 times 10 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. I wanna use 4 and 5, but be careful of this sign. 4 times 5 equals 20, but 4 plus 5 is not equals -9. That is why I wanna write here -4, -5, -4, -5. -4 times -5 equals 20. Also, -4 plus -5 equals -9. Now I can write here x minus 5, x minus 4 equals 0. If the product of two factors is 0, at least one of them is 0. Therefore, I can set these factors equals 0. X minus 5 equals 0. X is 5. X minus 4 equals 0. X equals 4. 5 and 4 are two answers of this equation. But how can we check it? We can check these answers by substituting them to the original equation. Let's check the first one. X equals 5. Let's substituting 5 to the power of 2 minus 9 times 5 plus 20 equals 0 or not? Yes, 25 minus 9 times 5, 40 plus 20 equals 0, 0 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 5, confirm. And next answer, x equals 4. 4 times to the power of 2 minus 9 times 4 plus 20 equals 0 or not? 4 to the power of 2, 16 minus 36 plus 20 equals 0, 0 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 4, confirm. Now we are sure both answers 5 and 4 are the solutions.